Will HEX reach $1 by 2023? HEX is a relatively new player in the crypto world, and there's a lot of debate about its long-term prospects. Some people believe that HEX has the potential to become the next big thing in the crypto world, while others are skeptical about its future. In this video, we'll delve into what HEX is, how it works, and what factors could influence its price. We'll also explore the arguments for and against HEX's potential to reach $1 by 2023. So whether you're an experienced crypto investor or just getting started, make sure to watch this video all the way through to get a comprehensive understanding of HEX and its price predictions. But before going further, it's important to know that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. Richard Heart is a prominent figure in the world of cryptocurrency, known for his role in the development and promotion of HEX. Prior to his involvement with HEX, Heart was a successful entrepreneur and marketer, having launched and sold several successful internet companies. Hart's vision for HEX was to create a cryptocurrency that was accessible to the masses, and that rewarded investors for holding on to their coins. He spent years researching and developing the HEX platform, working tirelessly to ensure that it was secure, user-friendly, and capable of achieving his vision. Since the launch of HEX in late 2019, Hart has been actively involved in its development and promotion. He has been a vocal advocate for the project and has been instrumental in its success. Hart's leadership and vision have helped to make HEX one of the most exciting and promising cryptocurrencies on the market today. Whales, or large investors, have been showing increasing interest in HEX in recent months. The accumulation of HEX tokens by these whales has been noticeable, with some making large transactions in the market. These transactions are a strong indication that these investors believe in the potential of HEX and are confident in its long-term prospects. In addition to the rise in whale interest, there's also been a reignition of staking interest in HEX. Staking is the process of holding cryptocurrency in a wallet for a specified period, usually with the aim of earning rewards. HEX allows for staking, and the recent surge in staking transactions is a sign that investors are bullish about the future of the cryptocurrency. HEX has seen a mixed performance in terms of its trading volume and price changes over time. According to CoinMarketCap, as of March 2023, the daily trading volume of HEX is around $30 million, and its market capitalization is approximately $17 billion. HEX has had a tumultuous price history since it was first launched in December 2019. The cryptocurrency started trading at a price of $0.0001, and within 2 months, it reached a peak of $0.0064. However, its price took a nosedive soon after and fell below its launch price, hitting an all-time low of $0.00001 in May 2020. Despite the initial setbacks, HEX gradually started to recover, and by December 2020, it had reached a price of $0.002. However, it was not until the beginning of 2021 is that HEX's price really took off. Between January and April 2021, HEX's price rose from $0.002 to $0.18, a staggering increase of over 9,000%. Unfortunately, the bull run didn't last forever, and HEX's price started to decline in May 2021. By July 2021, it had fallen to $0.05, and by the end of the year, it was hovering around $0.01. In May 2022, HEX's price took another sharp drop, falling to $0.0004, a significant loss for investors who had bought in at the previous highs. Despite these dips, many investors are still bullish on HEX and are holding onto their portfolios in anticipation of an upcoming bull run. They argue that the current price is undervalued and that there is significant potential for growth in the future. Moreover, HEX has a strong and active community, which is working hard to promote the cryptocurrency and drive adoption. In terms of trading volume, HEX has had mixed results. In the early days of the cryptocurrency, the trading volume was relatively low. However, it picked up in 2021 during the bull run, with daily trading volume exceeding $1 billion on several occasions. Overall, HEX's price performance has been volatile, with significant price swings in both directions. While some investors have made substantial profits from investing in HEX, others have suffered heavy losses. Whether or not HEX will reach $1 by 2023 remains to be seen, but there are certainly arguments to be made on both sides. It's worth noting that just recently, when the Pulsechain v3 testnet was announced, the price of HEX jumped by 30% in less than 24 hours. This news alone has had a significant impact on the price of HEX, and with the upcoming launch of Pulsechain expected later this year, it's likely that the success of HEX will continue to be tied to the launch of this new blockchain. In a previous video, we discussed how to prepare for the launch of Pulsechain, and one of the key things to do is to buy a lot of HEX so that you'll have a copy on Pulsechain once the blockchain launches. With many people anticipating the launch of Pulsechain, it's not surprising that the price of HEX went up after the recent announcement of testnet v3. HEX cryptocurrency has attracted a lot of attention from investors and crypto enthusiasts alike due to its unique design and potential for price appreciation. HEX's price predictions have been a topic of discussion in the crypto community, with some predicting that it will reach significant price milestones in the near future. One of the most notable predictions comes from Gov Capital, which predicts that HEX's price will reach $1 by the end of 2023. This prediction is based on an analysis of HEX's historical price performance and the overall market trends. According to Gov Capital, HEX has shown significant price appreciation potential and is likely to continue to do so in the coming years. Another factor that may impact HEX's price predictions is the upcoming documentary, The Highest of Stakes, which is set to be released later in 2023. The documentary focuses on the story of Richard Hart, the founder of HEX, and his journey to create the cryptocurrency. The documentary is expected to generate a lot of buzz around HEX and potentially attract more investors to the project, which could contribute to a significant price increase. Wallet Investor also has a positive outlook on HEX's future price performance. According to Wallet Investor's analysis, HEX's price could reach $2.495 by the end of 2026. This prediction is based on a combination of technical analysis and market trends, as well as HEX's unique design and potential for mass adoption. It is worth noting, however, that there are also skeptics who are critical of HEX's long-term prospects. Some argue that HEX's design is too complex and that it lacks the infrastructure and network effects needed to sustain long-term price appreciation. Additionally, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and predicting future price performance is always subject to uncertainty. So, HEX's price predictions are a hot topic in the crypto world. While some are bullish on its potential to reach significant price milestones, others remain skeptical about its long-term prospects. Ultimately, the future of HEX's price performance will depend on a variety of factors, including market trends, adoption rates, and investor sentiment. Now, do you think HEX can reach $1 by 2023? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. That's it for today's video. If you're interested in Pulsechain and its potential, stay tuned to our channel for informative content. We cover everything from the latest updates on the launch to the projects developed on the platform. Join us on this journey and stay up to date on all things Pulsechain. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter. We see you in the next video.